This is how a bone marrow tissue looks like on slide. These are tissue strips taken from the bone marrow. These strips are stained with H&E stain. The pinkish area are the laminar bone, also known as bony trabeculae. The area in between the bony trabeculae are the marrow tissue. The marrow tissue here are mainly made up of fatty tissue. It looks like a fishing net. At this magnification, you can barely make out the blood cells located in small pockets throughout the net. With higher magnification, you'll be able to appreciate the scattered red cells, plasma cells, some lymphocytes, and occasional neutrophils. What's missing from these slides are the megakaryocytes, the islands of erythroblasts, and younger granulocytes.
For Hodgkin lymphoma, when you open the link, you can actually see a section of a lymph node, okay, and you can actually see this greenish area that is marked here as the abnormal area. The normal area is actually at the side there. You can actually see a normal architecture of the lymph node, which has a lot of follicles. So when there's lots of follicles, we call it as effacement of the lymphoid architecture. So when we zoom in, and you will take this picture later on, you see there's a lot of these abnormal large cells. Okay, you need to take the image first and then zoom in into the image, and you can actually see that this large cells is composed of binucleated cells. Okay, binucleated with prominent nucleoli. Right, so this is the one that giving rise to what we call as owl eye nuclei, and this is also known as red Sternberg cells. The next one is on Burkitt's lymphoma. So you just need to zoom into this area, and when you zoom into this area, you can actually see there's a lot of proliferation of these lymphoid cells, and this lymphoid cells is what we call as the sky blue, which color almost like a black sky, but there's lots of this whitish area that looking like a star. So this is the one that gives rise to starry sky appearance, right? And when we zoom into the slide, and you can actually see that this star is basically composed of apoptotic bodies, right? And the rest are all malignant lymphoid cells.